It's the one and only no double G. You know I'm on it with the D.R.E.
Yeah. You know the West Coast is back on. Put something in. Put it in. Yeah. Suck, Snow.
Top dog, bite them all, yeah, I'm burning it up. DPGC, you should be turning it up. CBT, LBC, yeah, we hooking back up. And when they bang this in the club, baby, you got to get up. Cause homies, thug homies, yeah, they giving it up. Yo life, boy, we living it up. Taking chances while we dancing in the party for sure. Slip my girl a 44 when she crept in the back door. Chickens looking at me strange, but you know I don't care. Step up in this mother, just a swing in my hand. Trick, quit talking, crip, won't get you down with the set. Take a bullet with some grip and take the smoke on this jet. Out of town, put it down for the father of rap. And if you happen to get cracked, trick, shut your trap. Come back, get back, that's the part of success. If you believe in the act, you'll be relieving your stress.
It's the one and only D.R.E. Dr. Brain Love Buster. You know I'm mobbing with the D.O.G. Straight off them killer streets of CPT. King of the beach, you ride to him in your fleet. Wood, Coop the Ville, rolling on dubs. How you feel? Whoop-de-whoop. What? Dre and Snoop hitting corners in the lag. With Doc in the back, sipping on Jack. Clipping all the amps, dipping through Wood, Compton, Long Beach, Inglewood, South Central out to the west side. It's California love, it's California bug. Got your boy a king of pub. I'm on one, I might bell up in the Century Club with my jeans on and my team strong. Get my drink on and my smoke on, and go home with something to post up. Blow the song for the triple up. Coming real, it's the next episode.
It's the one and only no double G. You know I'm on it with the D.R.E.
Yeah. You know the West Coast is back for all you suckers. Put something in there. Put it in there. Yeah. Suck, Snow.
Top dog, bite them all, yeah, I'm burning it up. DPGC, you should be turning it up. CBT, LBC, yeah, we hooking back up. And when they bang this in the club, baby, you got to get up. Cause homies, thug homies, yeah, they giving it up. Yo life, boy, we living it up. Taking chances while we dancing in the party for sure. Slip my girl a 44 when she crept in the back door.